Hey, what's up guys, this is Fimer. I'm back with another new video. In this video I'm going to show you top 3 lock screen alternative for Android. Those are just amazing. I have tried all of these. You definitely should try all of them. If you I will bet you will like at least one in those 3. I have tried lots of lock screen and I make a short list of 3. So it's further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first step is called the Next. Surprisingly, the developer of this app is Microsoft. Yeah, a Windows company made a lock screen app for Android, and this app is just amazing. I have tried all. I have used this lock screen for like 5 or 6 months. That's good the app is. So the app, I already have downloaded this app. You will find all the download link in the description. Please check the description. You also can find the app in the Play Store. I will suggest you to go to the description and select the link. So when you open the app, okay, it will require some password, not password, it will require for some permission. You can skip it. I will skip it anyway, whatever. Yeah, here you can see you can change protection. I will skip all of this if you want. Yeah, this is the lock screen basically. How cool it is. Here you can see in the top in this the Bing search engine. Here is the wallpaper. Of course, you can change the wallpaper. Here is the clock and date, and yeah, it's very simple and specific and very warm, hard looking. Awesome wallpaper. In this setting, you will find the smart lock option. In smart lock, here you can see first option. You have to check the first option. Here you can change, use the pattern, pin, and whatever lock you wanted to, or you also can set your fingerprint. Yeah, in this app, only in this app you can use your fingerprint. In other two apps you can't use your fingerprint. If you want to use your fingerprint, then you definitely should try this. Okay, you have to turn on the fingerprint and set the fingerprint. I won't set it because I don't need it, so that's why. You also can change the wallpaper. There's lots of wallpaper. Also you can make a custom wallpaper from your gallery. So that's it. You also can change the Bing search engine on off, whatever. Basically Microsoft give you everything open, and it's actually a free and one of the most underrated wallpaper app I have ever seen, and you definitely should check it, give it a try. So the number 2 is basically a amazing, just awesome app, and I I'm loving this app, just loving this app. So the next app is called, I need to disable this Microsoft. Okay, let me disable it. Okay, the next step is called, just I will show you gesture lock screen. Just name gesture lock screen. I will get the link in the description. Please check the description. First, when you open the app, here it will also require some whatever permission, and it will ask you for a gesture. Gesture means you have to draw anything, like I will type like A. I will type A. This will be your password. And here I will type A again. Uh, Here you can see this is the draw something in the gesture to unlock. So here you have to be recovery password. I will type 1 2 3 4, and in case you forget your gesture, here you can see this is the enable notification access. Here you have to enable it, first one, gesture, and you have to allow it and just get started. And you have to enable the, and you can change gesture whatever you wanted to. I will show the lock. Okay, this is the lock. Yeah, here you can see this is a very good looking app. Here I will show you how you can unlock your phone. Like when I type like 0, it won't unlock, but when I type A, it unlocks. Yeah, how cool it is. This is the most favorite lock screen I have ever tried. Here you also can change your recovery. You also can use your fingerprint. Yeah, here you can use your fingerprint. Yeah, you can if you don't want to use gesture, you also can use your fingerprint. Here you can change the background, lock, delay, screen off, timeout, anything. Here you can see a lot of customization option. You can do whatever you wanted to do. This is the app. You definitely should give a try. I will give the link in the description. Please try. And the first, last but not least, the most amazing wallpaper I have ever seen in my life is iOS 11 wallpaper locker. Just iOS 11 locker. This is very underrated. I am using Android, and some of us using Android. Most of us using Android, of course. All of us using Android. So what I'm talking about. So as an Android user, we won't be able to use iOS lock screen. We don't know how to feel like iPhone 10 lock screen feel look like. Sorry, this app will give you the access how iPhone 10 lock screen look like. What is the look of iPhone 10? Further ado, let's just jump into the app. First I have to gesture. I have to disable it. Okay, first I have to disable it. Okay, when you open the app, it will ask you for permission. Just grant permission. Okay, just grant all those permission, and you have to enable this also. you have to enable all first two or three, both. Then you have to permission to take video if you want to. Let's start it. Here you can see active log. The app is a lot of problem with ads. Yeah, you have to show lots, you have to see lots of ad. So only problem with it, but the lock screen is just awesome. I will show you. This is the lock screen. Yeah, this is the lock screen. I'm not kidding, guys. This is the lock screen. Here you can see this is the lock screen. Here is the camera button. Here is the uh, torch button. Here is the notification center. Here you can see this is the my old gesture. I haven't disabled it, that's why it's showing. Just when you lock your phone, it's come, and it looks just amazing. Just iOS 10 looking. This is the bar, iOS 10 looking bar, and everything works perfectly and just awesome. You definitely should have a try if you don't like Android kind of lock screen. If you want to try a iOS kind of from here, you also get some customization option. Here you can see the control center. You also can enable the control center. You have to download this control center app for this. You also can get your if you want to, you can send the notification settings, quick replay, music player. You can use your fingerprint. Yeah, you can enable your pin if you want to. So for this, it's recording my password. I won't set pin now. If you want to, you also can change wallpaper. Of course, you can change your wallpaper. You also can enable vibration, timeout, format, everything. The customization option is little from the others, but this app is must out than try. And the problem of this app is ads. If you happy with ads, you definitely should give it a try, and I'm giving that link in the description. Please check the description for all the links. And thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel, like to my video and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends.